Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video we are once again going to run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that you also can have completely for free. Just use the link you find up here right now and you can download this robot today, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also make sure you see to the end of the video because I will show you the win rate, how much profit we made and all this good stuff. Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, put them below the video. But now, let's start up Alpha Master.
Getting stronger every day. Keep on pushing through the pain. Keep on grinding till we die. Ain't no mercy in this life. There's nowhere left to run away. No, there's nowhere left to run away. Run away, run away, run away,
And there we have it. After around 15 minutes, we made 2 trades, 2 winners and $89 profit. So that means, of course, 100% win rate. You can download this robot also. Just push this robot thing you see up here right now, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.